Time to board the Carnival Horizon for a 6-night cruise out of Miami. The ports for this cruise is Ocho Rios, Jamaica, Grand Cayman Islands, and Cozumel, Mexico. So here I am entering the Horizon Atrium. This was on December 1st, which means it was the first holiday sailing, so the crew was putting up the Christmas tree, and here you can see the 3-level atrium on the Carnival Horizon. Now, the first thing you should do when you get on board is head to your muster station, which is where they will go over the safety drill. On the way there, you can see some of the fun shops like Invicta. My muster station happened to be in the casino, so here you can see a glimpse of the casino slot machines and tables before we watch the safety demonstration by the Carnival crew. Of course, the second stop is to get some food, so we headed to the Lido deck where the Seaside Theater, Blue Iguana Tequila Bar, and the Red Frog Rum Bar is, and here you can see the size of the pool on the Lido deck. I chose to go to Guy's Burger Joint because it's so good and it is one of my favorite food options on Carnival. Sometimes I get just those seasoned fries, but this time I got a pig patty burger, which is a burger with bacon, and I got some fries. My mom went to the Lido buffet and brought me back this birthday cake cheesecake, which was very good, and then I started to explore the ship. I actually saw that this couple got married on Embarkation Day in the library, so I recorded from the outside, of course, and then you can see a Christmas tree, and to the right over there in that corner was Fahrenheit Steakhouse. To the left is Bonsai, which has sushi, and straight ahead is the Alchemy Bar where they have really unique drinks. Here's another view of Bonsai Sushi if you're interested in dining there. And then as I kept walking, you'll see Pixels Gallery, where you can shop for lanyards, underwater phone cases, and more. And you can always look at your pictures as they take them on board. Next is Guys Pick and Anchor, which is a barbecue spot, and people were seated at that bar while I was walking. Next, you can see the Java Blue Cafe, where you can buy soda, coffee, pastries like donuts, cookies, cupcakes, and cakes. They really have it for if you have a sweet tooth while you're on the ship. They also have the Dream Studio where you can take professional photos with your loved ones. They have different backdrops. They can be in black and white. And so that is an option that you can do while on board the ship. And then I stopped at the Pixels Gallery to get my gold VIFP pin, which I get each selling because it's one of the benefits, so I make sure that I grab mine. And this is what it looks like. It just says thank you for selling, and it'll have the year that you're on board. Now that I got my pin, it was time to go to the room because it was 1:30, so the staterooms were available. So I was walking back, you can see the bride and groom, their wedding was done. And then my room was actually on the same floor as the IMAX theater, which I actually ended up seeing Wicked later on because it was on right kind of around the same time that I was on the ship, so I did see Wicked. But here is a glimpse of my Carnival balcony room on the Horizon. I do have another video if you want to check out a more detailed view of my stateroom. But let's go ahead and get to the sail away party because it's time to go.
Oh, you got that good time. No, they said you go, oh. Give me oh. It got hot, I apologize about that answer.
And everyone's getting all hype. We're dancing. We're excited to get ready for this fun cruise. I wanted to record the Port of Miami as we were leaving. You can see all the gorgeous houses, the yachts, the tall buildings as we're leaving the port. And we even make it to where you can see the beach. But for now, you can just see the downtown skyline that we were leaving. And then they had the dance battle, which of course is always very fun on a carnival. Here you see a man, he was getting it to the song. And then there was like a younger girl that was dancing. So they always do the dance battle at the sail away party, which is very fun. And it just gets everybody laughing and loosening up for the cruise. And then after the dance battle, they played one of the typical party songs, which was the wobble. So here you see people joining in on all 3 decks, having a good time, enjoying the fact that they are on a cruise. They are not at work. They are here to have a good time, and Carnival delivers that every time. And then here is another clip of Miami. We're getting closer to leaving the city. So you see the beach is approaching. We're waving goodbye. We're saying bye. We're ready to go. It's time to have fun. It's time to get away. And that is what it's all about, is having fun on your cruise. After the Celebrate party, I actually went to the gym, but I didn't record it. But we went to guest services and they did the Christmas tree lighting in that area in the atrium, and they gave away some Christmas hats. Then we went to the main dining room. We did the assigned dining at 6 p.m. So we did have an assigned table for the whole duration of the cruise. I got a drink. They gave me the edible straw, and then here we are doing a drink cheers. And then for my appetizers, I got both a Caesar salad and a crawfish egg roll from Emerald Selects, as well as the barbecue salmon, which is also on the Emerald's menu. And then they had the party where the crew member starts, twirling the towels around, and they just have a party every day in the dining room, which is pretty fun. It gets the energy flowing because, you may be waiting a while for your food. And we actually had other people at our table. It was just me, my mom, and my auntie, but there was a group of 3 ladies, so they were also assigned to our table. So just keep in mind that that can happen to you as well. And the crew member, they get really into it. They start dancing, and it's just really fun. Everyone has good energy while they get that break to start dancing and just engaging with the guests in the dining room. For dinner, I had cheesecake. This was the only night that had cheesecake, so I was very excited. And then we stopped in the atrium again. They had the Celestial Strings violinist and celloist playing some music just to, entertain everybody in the atrium, whether they're just standing around, whether they're at the bar. And so the atrium was really nicely decorated for Christmas. I really love having a cruise in December. The holiday decorations are beautiful. And of course, the backdrops that they have, as you'll see as the cruise goes on, are very nice as well. And one of my favorite things about getting on a Carnival cruise ship is the comedy club, the Punchliner Comedy Club. I was at every single show. Like, I love comedy and the comedians are amazing. And since we ate so early at 6 o'clock, we were kind of hungry. So we went to the Lido for late night snacks. And that's how we ended our first day on the Carnival Horizon.